We have launched a series of guides on our website on COVID-related topics. These videos are designed to support these guides, giving you options on how you digest the information. Supporting our clients through COVID is our priority, and if there is anything you do not understand, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with our expert team. This video relates to the deferral of VAT payments. Many businesses have experienced a rapid and unexpected decrease in their revenue streams as a result of the coronavirus outbreak. As a result, they may be suffering severe cash flow problems that will impact their ability to pay any VAT due. In light of these significant ongoing concerns, the Chancellor announced a delay in the requirement to remit VAT payments that applies from the 20th of March 2020 until the 30th of June 2020. Businesses are therefore not required to make a VAT payment during this period. Businesses will be given until the 31st of March 2021 to pay any liabilities that have accumulated during the deferral period. Businesses can still opt to pay the VAT due if they are not suffering from financial difficulties during this period or do not wish to run up a VAT bill that needs to be paid at a later date. VAT refunds and reclaims will be paid by the government as normal. HMRC will, however, offset any repayments due against any existing debts that existed before these arrangements were implemented, i.e., not against any VAT deferred under these provisions. HMRC has confirmed that all UK VAT registered businesses, which include both UK resident and non-resident businesses, are entitled to delay payment of any VAT due automatically with no requirement to formally apply for the extension. HMRC has confirmed that businesses who pay via direct debit need to cancel that direct debit if they cannot afford to make the payment of the VAT due. HMRC has requested that businesses cancel the direct debit as soon as possible so that HMRC does not attempt to take the payment when it becomes due. Businesses must, however, ensure that direct debits are set up once the deferral period has ended to make sure that no VAT payments are missed in the future. It is important to note that the deferral relates to VAT that is payable during this period and not to the VAT return periods. Businesses will be required to remit all VAT that has been deferred on the 31st of March 2021, regardless of their VAT return periods. HMRC has also clarified that businesses with time to pay arrangements in place before the 20th of March 2020 cannot defer those payments as well. Businesses that are struggling to make these payments should contact HMRC using the dedicated helpline on 0800 024 1222. Interest and penalties will not be charged on any amounts that have been deferred under these arrangements. It is important to remember that VAT returns must be submitted on time, even if the payment is deferred. All VAT payments due after the deferral period has ended must be paid as normal, and HMRC has said that it will provide further information on how to pay the VAT that has been deferred in due course. HMRC is also delivering an enhanced time to pay offer to fit the specific impacts of coronavirus. Time to pay is available to all businesses that are in temporary financial distress and as a result of the coronavirus outbreak and are unable to pay their tax on time or have existing liabilities. HMRC has set up a dedicated helpline to enable those eligible to get practical help and advice, which can be reached by calling 0800 024 1222. Of course, we are still here to help you with all this, so if you feel uncomfortable about contacting HMRC about your affairs, then please get in touch with our expert team and we'd be more than happy to make those calls on your behalf. Thank you.